Hi, the purpose of this video is just to make sure that if you are at home or you've missed anything, that you just know exactly what you need to do in order to get a decent grade in here so far. Okay, this first video will just be over the first part of chapter 1, in case you haven't been here. So, real simple, this shouldn't take long. One, if you haven't, this is the first thing we did. We took science intro notes. Okay, if you weren't here, what you do is you copy these down. Now, if you're coming back in person, then ideally just go ahead and get the assignments done, put them in a folder so that you can turn them all in to me at the same time. If you are going to be at home for a while, then talk to me about the best way to do this. If it's easier for you to go email, or if it's easier for you to turn it in right here on Google Classroom, that's fine. I just want to know specifically where to look. But all you got to do, take these notes, put them down in your notebook, show me that you put them down, and you're all set. Okay, number 2. Scientific intro worksheet. This is a worksheet that covers the stuff from the notes. Should be relatively easy if you took the notes pretty well. If you have any questions, again, feel free to email me. Okay. Next 4 assignments are pretty easy. Step 1, one-step conversions, metric conversions, and 2-step conversions. The assignments are all right here. You'll notice that they all have a conversion sheet on the right side. That's what you're going to use. You are not going to use Google conversions that you might get specifically off of there, and make sure, that you don't use Google to solve those. If you need to know how to do them, if you don't know each one of these, you'll notice at the top of the assignment has a separate video showing you specifically how to do that particular thing. Once you've done all 3 of them and you're pretty sure that you've been successful, feel free to go ahead and take the quiz. The quiz is a combination of all 5 of them. Sorry, all 3 of them, so you do need to make sure and know those first. And those 6 things are the first part of chapter 1. If you do all those and get those in, you're in a pretty good spot for the first couple of weeks.